मुगल साम्राज्य, एक ऐसा राजवंश जो भारत के बड़े हिस्सों पर राज करने वाला था, faced turbulent beginnings. The early days of this grand empire were fraught with challenges and uncertainties, setting the stage for a dramatic saga of resilience and ambition. 1540 में हुमायूं दूसरा मुगल सम्राट suffered a crushing defeat at the hands of Sher Shah Suri. This defeat was not just a loss of territory but a significant blow to the morale and stability of the fledgling Mughal empire. अपने ही राज्य से भागने पर मजबूर, Humayun embarked on a perilous journey westward, seeking refuge in the court of Persia. This journey was fraught with danger as Humayun and his loyal followers traversed treacherous terrains and faced numerous adversities.
इसी वनवास के दौरान इन द ईयर 1542 एक पुत्र का जन्म हुआ हुमायूं और उनकी पत्नी हमीदा बानो बेगम के घर। This birth, amidst the turmoil of exile, brought a glimmer of hope and joy to the beleaguered emperor and his queen. उन्होंने उसका नाम रखा जलालुद्दीन मोहम्मद अकबर, little knowing that he would one day inherit not only his father's lost throne, but also the mantle of one of India's greatest emperors. The birth of Akbar was a significant event, symbolizing the continuity of the Mughal lineage and the hope for a brighter future.
अकबर के शुरुआती साल exile के uncertainties और hardships से भरे हुए थे, shaping his character and worldview. The young prince, though born into royalty, experienced the harsh realities of life from a very young age. The young prince, far from the comforts of a palace, spent his childhood moving from one place to another, learning the art of survival and developing a keen awareness of the world around him. These formative years were crucial in molding Akbar's personality, instilling in him a sense of resilience and adaptability. This period of adversity instilled in Akbar a deep empathy for his people and a profound understanding of the challenges faced by those less fortunate. His interactions with common people during these years helped him develop a compassionate and just approach to governance. It also fostered within him a burning desire to reclaim his rightful place on the Mughal throne and restore his father's lost glory. Akbar's determination and ambition were evident even in his youth, as he diligently prepared himself for the responsibilities that lay ahead. This ambition would drive him to achieve extraordinary feats and leave an indelible mark on the history of India. Akbar's journey from a prince in exile to one of the greatest emperors of India is a testament to his unwavering resolve and visionary leadership. His reign would eventually bring about a golden era in the Mughal Empire, marked by prosperity, cultural richness, and a legacy that endures to this day. 1555 में Humayun, aided by the Persian Shah, finally managed to reclaim his throne in Delhi. This was a momentous occasion, marking the return of the Mughal dynasty to power after years of struggle and exile. The Persian Shah's support was crucial, providing Humayun with the military and financial resources needed to mount a successful campaign against his rivals. However, his triumph was short-lived. Despite the grand celebrations and the restoration of Mughal authority, fate had other plans for Humayun. The following year, he died in a tragic accident, leaving the vast and unstable Mughal Empire in the hands of his 13-year-old son, Akbar. हुमायूं की असामयिक मृत्यु ने साम्राज्य को अनिश्चितता में डुबो दिया, as the young Akbar was thrust into a position of immense responsibility at such a tender age.
छोटी उम्र में ही इतनी बड़ी जिम्मेदारी के साथ the young emperor was fortunate to have the guidance and support of Bairam Khan, a loyal and capable general who served as his regent. Bairam Khan's experience and wisdom were invaluable during this tumultuous period, providing stability and continuity in the administration of the empire.
बैरम खान एक चतुर रणनीतिकार और कुशल प्रशासक साबित हुए, effectively holding the reins of power and stabilizing the empire during Akbar's minority. His ability to manage the court and maintain the loyalty of the nobility was crucial in ensuring that the young emperor's rule was not challenged. Under Bairam Khan's tutelage, Akbar ने अपने सैन्य कौशल को निखारा and gained valuable experience in statecraft. He was trained in the art of warfare, learning how to lead troops, strategize in battle, and handle weapons with precision. He participated in military campaigns, witnessing firsthand the challenges of warfare and the importance of maintaining a strong and loyal army. These experiences were instrumental in shaping Akbar into a formidable leader and warrior.
He also observed the intricacies of governance, learning how to manage court affairs, administer justice, and balance the interests of various factions within the empire. This period of observation and learning was critical in preparing Akbar for the complexities of ruling a vast and diverse empire. One of the most significant events of this period was the Second Battle of Panipat in 1556. यह युद्ध मुगल इतिहास में एक महत्वपूर्ण मोड़ था, as it determined the fate of the empire and solidified Akbar's position as a ruler. This decisive battle pitted the Mughal forces led by Bairam Khan against the formidable army of Hemu, a Hindu general who had usurped the throne of Delhi. इस युद्ध का परिणाम मुगल वंश के भविष्य का फैसला करने वाला था. Akbar's presence on the battlefield, despite his young age, boosted the morale of his troops and played a crucial role in securing a resounding victory for the Mughals. युद्ध के दौरान उनकी बहादुरी और नेतृत्व ने उन्हें एक महान शासक बनने के शुरुआती संकेत दिए, earning him the respect and loyalty of his soldiers and subjects alike. The victory at Panipat marked a turning point in Akbar's reign, consolidating Mughal rule and paving the way for the empire's expansion. Over the next 2 decades, Akbar led a series of military campaigns, demonstrating exceptional strategic acumen and military prowess.
उन्होंने शक्तिशाली राज्यों को अपने अधीन कर लिया, विद्रोहों को कुचल दिया, and extended the Mughal dominion across northern and central India.
अकबर की विजयों का उद्देश्य केवल महत्वाकांक्षा या सत्ता की प्यास नहीं था. He recognized that a stable and prosperous empire required secure borders and the integration of diverse regions under a centralized administration. He also understood the importance of controlling key trade routes and securing access to valuable resources. Akbar's military campaigns were characterized by a combination of ruthlessness and diplomacy. When met with fierce resistance, he could be a formidable foe, crushing his enemies with overwhelming force. However, he also displayed a remarkable capacity for reconciliation and magnanimity. He often offered generous terms to defeated rulers, integrating them into the Mughal administration and winning their loyalty through respect and trust. This pragmatic approach, blending military might with political astuteness, proved highly effective in expanding the Mughal Empire and establishing Akbar's reputation as a just and benevolent ruler. He transformed the Mughal Empire from a relatively small kingdom into a vast and powerful empire that spanned much of the Indian subcontinent. खोज और सहिष्णुता की इस भावना ने खुलेपन और बौद्धिक जिज्ञासा का माहौल बनाया, जो उस समय के लिए असामान्य था. Akbar's court became a melting pot of ideas, where scholars from different backgrounds could freely exchange their thoughts and philosophies. This environment fostered a unique blend of cultural and intellectual growth, setting the stage for a more inclusive society. Akbar's religious views evolved over the course of his reign, moving away from Orthodox Islam towards a more inclusive and syncretic approach. वह विभिन्न धार्मिक प्रथाओं और मान्यताओं से बहुत प्रभावित हुए, जिसके कारण उन्होंने पारंपरिक धार्मिक सिद्धांतों द्वारा निर्धारित कठोर सीमाओं पर सवाल उठाया. He came to believe that all religions shared a common essence and that the path to God was through love, compassion and good deeds, regardless of one's faith. यह मान्यता उस समय के लिए क्रांतिकारी थी, क्योंकि यह इस प्रचलित धारणा को चुनौती देती थी कि किसी का धर्म ही ईश्वर तक पहुंचने का एकमात्र सच्चा मार्ग है. इस विश्वास के कारण अकबर ने एक नए धर्म, दीन-ए-इलाही या ईश्वरीय आस्था की घोषणा की. दिन-ए-इलाही was not intended to replace existing religions, but to create a spiritual framework that emphasized ethical living and mutual respect among different faiths. This religion drew elements from various faiths, emphasizing universal values and seeking to transcend the boundaries of dogma and ritual. यह उनके विविध साम्राज्य को एक सामान्य आध्यात्मिक और नैतिक संहिता के तहत एकजुट करने का एक साहसिक प्रयास था, promoting peace and understanding. हालांकि दीन-ए-इलाही को अकबर के दरबार से बाहर व्यापक स्वीकृति नहीं मिली, लेकिन यह धार्मिक सद्भाव के लिए उनकी ईमानदार इच्छा और मानव जाति की आवश्यक एकता में उनके विश्वास को दर्शाता है. Akbar's vision was ahead of its time, and although it faced resistance, it laid the groundwork for future efforts towards religious tolerance. उन्होंने जजिया को समाप्त कर दिया, जो गैर मुसलमानों पर लगाया जाने वाला कर था, and actively promoted interfaith dialogue and understanding. यह कदम महत्वपूर्ण था क्योंकि इससे गैर मुस्लिम प्रजा पर से वित्तीय बोझ कम हुआ और अकबर की समानता और न्याय के प्रति प्रतिबद्धता का प्रतीक था. अपने दरबार में अकबर ने विभिन्न धर्मों के विद्वानों, धर्मशास्त्रियों और रहस्यवादियों का स्वागत किया, जिनमें हिंदू धर्म, इस्लाम, ईसाई धर्म और पारसी धर्म शामिल थे। He encouraged them to share their knowledge and engage in meaningful discussions, fostering a culture of mutual respect and intellectual growth. वह उनके साथ जीवंत बहस में शामिल हुए, उनकी मान्यताओं को समझने और एक समान आधार खोजने की कोशिश की। These debates were not just academic exercises but were aimed at building a more cohesive and harmonious society. अकबर का शासनकाल न केवल सैन्य विजयों द्वारा चिह्नित किया गया था, बल्कि उनकी प्रबुद्ध नीतियों और एकजुट और सामंजस्यपूर्ण भारत के उनके दृष्टिकोण से भी चिह्नित किया गया था। His approach to governance was inclusive, recognizing the importance of integrating diverse communities into the fabric of the empire. अपने समय के कई शासकों के विपरीत अकबर ने माना कि सच्ची ताकत किसी एक धर्म या विचारधारा को थोपने में नहीं, बल्कि अपने साम्राज्य की समृद्ध विविधता को अपनाने में है। His legacy of religious tolerance and inclusivity continues to inspire and remains a testament to his visionary leadership.